So hi guys, as you already know, computers have two types of memory, primary memory and a secondary memory. Primary memory is your RAM, which is also known as temporary memory or a volatile memory, and a secondary memory is your hard drive, also known as permanent memory or non-volatile memory. So all computers will save their data such as photos, videos and documents on storage device like hard drives, which are non-volatile, which means it will not lose your data even if your computer is turned off. And now there are different types of storage drives, commonly known as hard drives, HDD or hard disk drives, and the second category of storage drives are SSDs, solid state drives. Now first, I'm gonna define how hard drive works. So first, let's just talk about hard disk drives. These drives have been used since the long time and is still common in every offices and home computers. First hard drives is introduced by IBM in 1956. Hard drives is steel case inside your computer which contains magnetic disk and a read-write arm. Your all data is stored on these magnetic disks and is read or write by these arms. These disks rotates at higher speed with a speed of 54,000 rpm to 10,000 rpm, means revolution per minute, depending on hard drive quality. Now come to the second, SSD, means solid state drives. Now the SSD got their name solid state because they have no moving parts, they have no physical components. In an SSD, all data is stored on an integrated circuits like a RAM, but it's a non-volatile storage drives, means which will not lose your data even your computer is turned off. This difference from HDDs has a lot of implications, especially in size and performance. Without the need for a spinning disk, SSDs can go down to the shape and size of a stick of a gum. Their capacity or how much data they can hold varies, making them flexible for smaller devices such as slim laptops, convertibles or 2-in-1s. And SSDs dramatically reduce access time since users don't have to wait for platter rotation to start up. SSDs are more expensive than HDDs per amount of storage in gigabyte or GB and terabytes or TB, but the gap is closing as SSD prices begins to drop. Now here comes the speed comparison between the HDDs and SSDs. Now the thing which makes SSDs an increasingly popular choice is their speed. Now across the board, SSDs outspace HDDs because they use electrical circuits and have no physical moving parts. This leads to the shorter wait time when you are starting up and fewer delays when opening apps or doing heavy computing tasks, and also reduces noise which we normally hear from our hard disk drives. And now time for the gaming experience in SSD versus HDD. Usually gamers need a computer drive that access data quickly, which makes SSDs optimal for the best gaming experience. Video games contains enormous amounts of assets such as high resolution, textures, models, audio and more, up to 100 GB of data. These requirements make speed and capacity paramount. A game that takes 2 or 3 minutes to load on an HDD, means hard disk drives, takes well under a minute or a half minute on an SSDs. And the initial load is not the only time a game needs to access stored data. Data is needed whenever the player enters a new level, scene or a mission. Long load times can disrupt the game and fast load times protect the sense of immersion that you want when in the middle of your game. Now at the end, data is the center of so much that we do. When choosing between an SSD or an HDD, there are numerous considerations beyond storage capacity and cost. Reliability, speed, noise and power usage all come into the play, affecting your overall experience. When you identify the type of data that you are working with and how and when you need to access it, then you can compare a solid state drive versus hard disk drive to find the solution that's right for you. So guys, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.